Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable always on display on unsupported Vivo phones. Now the always on display feature is available on most Vivo phones which have an OLED or AMOLED screen. But if your smartphone screen is made up of IPS technology and it does not support always on display, and if you want to enable always on display on your smartphone, then just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search always on display. Now just scroll down and tap on Movies Edge. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now just tap on Draw over the apps. From here, just scroll down and tap on Movies Edge. Now just enable this toggle on the screen. And once you do that, just go back. And from here, just tap on AOD. Now just select the always on display style you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now from here, if you tap on Edit, you can edit the always on display style. Just like that. And from here, you can change the always on display clock size. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on character size, you can increase or decrease the size of the characters. Just like that. And from here, you can change the clock color and the character colors. Once you edit the always on display style, just tap on Save. And from here, just tap on Apply. Now from here, if you lock your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully enabled always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable always on display on unsupported Vivo phones. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.